Today I will show you how to create a coupon in WooCommerce. Let's start the video. This is an e-commerce website where I tested the discount coupon code. A coupon code is a special code that customers can enter during checkout to receive a discount or offer on their purchase. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, go to the left-hand sidebar and hover over Marketing, and then click Coupons. Now click the Add Coupon button at the top. You'll see two main fields. Coupon code. This is the code customers will enter at checkout. Description. This is optional field for your internal reference. Let's say we're offering a coupon called F25. I'll type that in here. Now, let's configure the advanced settings under the coupon data section, including general, usage restrictions, and usage limits. Now let's check with the products. One thing, you can also assign the coupon code with the products. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button on the right. Boom! Your WooCommerce coupon is now live and ready to use. I've already created some products for testing purposes. So let's get started by adding a product to the cart. Click the Checkout button. Now, let's apply the coupon code during the product checkout process. Wow, it's worked. Now you can complete your purchase process. Please check the price. The coupon discount has already been applied to the final amount. Please enter the test cart information to complete the purchase. Since sandbox mode is enabled, you can use test cart details instead of real payment information. Thank you, the order has been completed. Now you can check the order details. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy WordPress tutorials. Got a question or error that won't go away? Drop a comment below, I'll reply personally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.